How to close your account on Home Depot. Closing your account on Home Depot's website permanently deletes your account and all associated information, and here is how to do that. Open your web browser and navigate to the Home Depot website. Click on the sign in option at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. After signing in, click on your profile avatar at the top right corner of the page, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings or My Account. Look for an option related to closing your account. This may be labeled as Close Account or Delete Account or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Home Depot may ask you to provide a reason for closing your account, so select the appropriate reason from the provided options. If prompted, read through any additional information or warnings provided about closing your account, and if you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the closure by clicking on the Delete Account button. Home Depot will typically send a confirmation email to the email address associated with your account, so check your email inbox for this confirmation message and follow any instructions provided to verify the closure of your account. By following these simple steps, you have easily closed your account on Home Depot's website, permanently removing your account and associated information. Thank you for learning how to do this with us. We hope this guide helps you complete the account closure process smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.